Hey guys, I recently just got a new fan. It is a 42-inch Menard's race car ceiling fan from July of 2001. Last weekend, one of my friends gave this to me as an early Christmas present. This was installed in his brother's bedroom, and they took it down recently, and they said I can have it. Here's what the other side looks like. It has a forward and reverse pull chain, which is not very common. Here's the globe and the mounting bracket. Alright, that is pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.